Today our video's topic is how to find a truck accident lawyer. If you are on a website, you can go to the Google and you will find the lead how to and find a good lawyer. You can search this about your location. If you are living in US, yeah, you can search here go to find lawyer in US. So here is United States lawyers choosing the best lawyers. Forbes advisor. What they are saying? They are saying that if you are looking for a good lawyer, they can leave you fighting with insurance companies to get the coverage that you need to pay the medical bills. If you have one of the best car accident lawyers on your side, you will have an advocate working for you to make sure you get what is owed to you. Best of all, you don't pay them until they get you money from the other party. Do you have a professional office? You need an attorney who has the resources to handle your case. This means that they have the staff capable of doing investigative work and addressing issues as they arise. It's likely that you will be interacting with some of those staff members as your case progresses. An organized office space is also a good indicator. Yeah, this is something that you should observe, but if you know a lawyer that is don't have a well established office, but they are working honestly and they work good, so doesn't mean they have an office well established and fully capable of have everything. So that's, I don't think so. They are saying well. How to find the professional best car accident attorney. Reasons you need a personal. Yeah, there are 10 contents. First of all, you have a reason to why you need a personal injury attorney. Before you look up car accident attorney, know what to look for, because if you have accident, you should know if you are on mistake and you want money from the other parties, then you should go to the lawyer. And where to find experienced car attorney? Yeah, you should know that. And yeah, Google is the best platform if you are finding something about near you, so you can speak with an attorney near you. Answer from attorneys, why hire a car accident there are some basic topics which are discussed here. So if you like my video, please do like and subscribe. Stay connected.